Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to get your bank statement without the Capitec app in 2025. Whether you're traveling, your phone's acting up, or you just prefer the old school way, I've got you covered with easy, step-by-step instructions. This is especially useful in 2025, as banks like Capitec are rolling out more digital and in-person options to make things smoother. Let's jump right in. First things first, start by heading to the official Capitec website. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection. Look for that little lock icon in your browser. Once there, log in with your online banking credentials. If you haven't set this up yet, it's quick and free. Just follow the prompts to register. After logging in, navigate to the Statements or Account History section. This is usually found in the dashboard or menu. Look for an option to view, download, or request your statement. In 2025, Capitec might have enhanced features like customizable date ranges or instant PDF downloads, so explore those. If you're not a fan of online methods, your next best bet is to visit a Capitec branch in person. Bring along your ID or proof of identity, and a bank representative can help you request and print your statement on the spot. This is great for those who want that hands-on assurance. Another handy alternative is contacting Capitec's customer service. Give them a call on their dedicated helpline. Numbers are easy to find on their website. Explain what you need, and they'll walk you through the process, possibly sending the statement via email or even SMS in 2025's updated systems. Remember, always double-check your statement for accuracy once you receive it, and keep an eye out for any security tips from Capitec to protect your info. That's it for today's guide. I hope this saves you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.